analysing a procure-to-pay process with process mining. Business processes are the backbone of any business, from customer or employee onboarding to invoice payments. Processes define how things are done within an organisation. However, over time, processes deviate from their ideal flow and inefficiencies creep up. Within a seemingly simple process, there can be multiple delays, diversions, and variations. These diversions within the process can cause delays, waste an employee's time, and result in loss of revenue. To get to grips with what is happening within a process, businesses can deploy process mining. Process mining allows businesses to X-ray their processes, allowing them to see what's really happening inside a process and action changes. It works by analysing event logs or digital footprints of process leaves across various business systems. It can then use these event logs to create process models, which creates a visualisation of the process. Using this visualisation, businesses can clearly see where delays, variations, or diversions are occurring, and work to create an optimal workflow of their process. Let us look at this demo of IBM Process Mining tool applied to the purchase-to-pay process. The objective of the demo is to understand the process and its performance in a single view. To analyze a process, the process mining tool ingests raw data from event logs, including entities involved, such as requisitions, orders, service, or product sheets and invoices. This can be done using a local data source, such as a CSV, or through an API into your ERP system. To gain the best insights into the process, 3 fields are mandatory: process ID, activity description, and date timestamp. However, many other fields, such as order ID, invoice ID, can also be mapped using this tool. The process is then modelled on basis of this data to give the business user a complete view of the process and the business rules that define the process. For example, looking at these rules, we can see why some orders are directly approved without going through order released stage. You can see here that we can go directly from order line creation to approved 2,727 times. In similar fashion, various rules can define various behaviors. A quick glance at the process mining dashboard, you can identify key stats related to the process, such as which are the most frequent activities, how many goods, requisitions, or invoices are being processed. You can also identify potential bottlenecks, identify most critical activities. Businesses can use these insights to create an optimized view of their process, defining standard activity or process KPIs, and take corrective action where inefficiencies are found. You can get started with process mining as part of the IBM Cloud Pack for Business Automation. Helping you to identify trends, patterns, and details of how your processes unfold. Let's look at the technology that enabled this use case. Most businesses would like to operate more efficiently by digitally transforming operational processes. But you can't improve business processes if you don't know how your processes really work and where the problems really are. In order to drive transformation, it is important to have a clear understanding of your business problems and build your automation pipeline based on well-identified improvement opportunities. More often than not, business processes operate in a black box, leaving process owners in the dark, not knowing where improvements are needed. Process mining is the solution. Process mining software captures information from enterprise transaction systems. and provides detailed and data-driven information about their performance. It works by ingesting the data, usually in the form of an event log, on a selected process. With all the data gathered, process mining can now create an end-to-end visualization of the process, showing all the different variants and deviations. You can use these detailed visualizations to start to analyze your process for bottlenecks, delays, overloads, and more, and start to improve the process. Let's consider a sales order process. Typical steps in a sales order process include an order is received, payment is made, product is delivered. Every step in the process leaves behind a digital footprint in systems or applications. It is by using this data that process mining works to create a living picture of what your processes actually look like, identifying the inefficiencies and improving process efficiency by finding out the root cause of exceptions or variations. Another common use case of process mining is improving auditing and compliance. Many businesses have internally defined standard operating procedures, policies, work instruction, best practices. Process mining helps validate or audit whether actual operations are in conformance with these defined operations and identify any anomalies. Process mining gives you real-time insights to improve your business processes and achieve your business goals. Ready to start your business process management journey? Get in touch with ABP Consultancy.